In this video, we'll show you how to render images in 3D Changer. First, save your project. Go to File, Save As, and create a new project. Then go to Camera in the bottom menu. This opens a panel on the right, where you can switch between image and video rendering. You'll also see a small preview. To find the right angle, use free camera movement. Move with W, A, S, D, or arrow keys, and press G to toggle the photo grid. In the Presets tab, you'll find saved camera positions. Once you have a shot you like, click Add Camera to save it. You can overwrite or delete it later. Next, go to the Edit tab. Here, you can change the frame size, for example, to portrait or story format. You can also adjust the zoom. Higher values mean more zoom. After zooming in with the camera, use the arrow keys to move away from the car. You can toggle depth of field and set the aperture to blur the background. To see the focus point, enable the Help Focus line. You can also manually change the focus point. Don't forget to hide the Help Focus line. In the Output tab, set the resolution, file format, save location, and enter a name. If you want to save your setup, go back to Presets and click Add Camera. This will save your camera position and settings for future use. Now click Export to start rendering. Rendering time depends on quality settings. Higher quality and resolution take longer. Your GPU also has a big impact on the final image quality. For best results, we recommend an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3000 series or higher. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to contact us. You'll find our email in the description. Thanks for watching.